In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show heart rate in Strava app. If your heart rate isn't appearing on your activities, it may simply be hidden in your privacy settings. We'll walk through the exact place to change that so your heart rate data is visible again to the audience you expect. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your feed. That ensures everything is up to date before you adjust any settings. Next, head to your profile. Tap the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. This takes you to your personal page where you can access all of your account controls. Now, look for the settings icon. It typically appears as a small gear at the top corner of the profile screen. Tap that to open your settings. Inside settings, you'll see several categories. Choose privacy controls. This section manages who can see different parts of your activity data, and it's where the visibility of heart rate is controlled. Within privacy controls, tap Hidden Details. Hidden Details is a simple list of specific data fields that you can choose to keep private or show on your activities. Find heart rate in that list. If heart rate is currently hidden, you'll see the toggle indicating it's being concealed. Tap the toggle so that heart rate is no longer hidden. In other words, you're turning off the hide option for heart rate. Strava saves this change automatically, so there's no separate save button to press. From now on, your activities will display heart rate where applicable, based on your broader privacy settings for who can view your activities overall. This change only affects the visibility of heart rate data. It does not alter how your device records heart rate. If your device records heart rate during an activity, unhiding it here allows it to be shown on your activity pages to the audience you've set. A quick tip: if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Hidden Details screen and toggle heart rate back to hidden at any time. Also remember that activity level privacy, like setting an activity to private or followers only, still applies. Unhiding heart rate won't override those choices. It simply makes heart rate eligible to appear when the activity itself is viewable. That's all there is to it. Open Strava, go to your profile, enter settings, choose privacy controls, open Hidden Details, and toggle heart rate so it's not hidden. Your heart rate data should now display on your activities just the way you want.